Nonverbal. A lot of what we communicate happens nonverbally through our facial expressions, gestures, posture, and qualities of our value. Simple. This beautiful lady looks simple. Her posture is very straightforward. Her facial expression looks confused with a look of puzzlement on her face. She looks like she may be very timid. She appears like she is posing for a photo that she does not want to be part of. Her eyes look a bit tired, like she has been up a while. Maybe she is a servant or mother of several children. Serious. This gentleman looks very serious, with a shocked look on his face. He appears to be perplexed as to what has just occurred. He is dressed very dapper. It appears that he is wearing a medal of some sort, so he may be part of the military. His facial expression is very serious looking. He is sitting very straight and looks a little uptight. His eyes are wide open, stating the shocked look he presents to the onlookers. His body language appears dignified in his stance. Determined. This gentleman is very determined to accomplish this task. He looks to be a strong person with a will to succeed at what he is sent to do. The expression on his face shows contentment with what his goal is. He is poised for action. He has a goal and is aiming to reach it. It appears to me that he is a hard working man that will stop at nothing to get the job done. His body language shows true determination as his arm is raised in determination to tackle the task at hand. I feel like he is a family man. Success. The look on this gentleman's face shows success of some sort. I do believe he has just won a competition or race of some sort. He looks exhilarated, however, does show signs of fatigue, like he is so glad it is over. He has a nice big grin on his face, so he's very happy with the way things turned out. He removed his cap in a way that shows that he is happy that things turned out the way they did. I do believe this man is happy with his success at this time.